So hey everyone, recently we got pictures of the forthcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 that were taken in person. Details on some of the new features and enhancements made to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 are provided after the images. Everything that has leaked before to the company's event is intriguing. As a result, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be among the most unique smartphones available, and its unique folding form factor also brings with a variety of qualities. One of these is the Flex mode, which divides the folding screen into two separate touch surfaces that are each capable of carrying a different set of user interface, components and functionality. By the way, it's not a brand new feature, it was first released by Samsung with the first Galaxy Z Flip a few years ago. You can capture pictures using it as a tripod when the Flex mode is activated, control media on the bottom screen and do a lot more with it. Samsung is currently demonstrating how Flex mode is useful when playing video games. They released some documentation and posted a few videos to assist game creators in adding Flex mode to their creations. In the first video, a game is shown with the controls on one side of the screen and gameplay on the other. The second video demonstrates how the phone can broadcast a game with the two separate camera views on the selection of the foldable display thanks to the Flex mode. However, just because you own the Z Fold 4 or any other folding device from Samsung does not automatically entitle you to use Flex mode in games with all of these amazing capabilities that Samsung demonstrated. Flex mode must first be implemented in games for this to function, and depending on how well liked foldable phones are, it might take some time. Samsung has made a fun implementation to encourage users to purchase the Z Fold 4. Now back to the looks, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is believed to resemble the high quality renders that have already been released. There have been a few little design tweaks that set it apart from its predecessor. The new color finish also has a stunning appearance. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be unveiled by Samsung on August 10th at its Unpacked event. A few weeks after it is unveiled, the product will probably go on sale. So what do you think about the Z Fold 4? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.